You should definitely add this one in your wardrobe. This piece is really very versatile. It gives a very nice flow and structure. ये plain कुर्ता नहीं है, इसमें सीक्वेंस की डिटेलिंग चल रही है पूरे कुर्ते में.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I am back with another haul video, and today's video is going to be Myntra kurta set haul. These kurta set are not just affordable but perfect for summer, मतलब lightweight, breathable and everyday wear के लिए absolutely ideal. तो अगर आप ऑफिस कॉलेज या फिर एवरीडे वेयर के लिए कुछ कंफर्टेबल और स्टाइलिश ऑप्शन ढूंढ रहे हो देन जस्ट कीप वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई एम श्योर आपको एंड तक इनमें से कोई ना कोई ज़रूर पसंद आएगा. सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So the first kurta set is this very beautiful light green color kurta set, and it comes in the material poly crepe, so it feels very comfortable and flowy on the body. So this is the kurta. You will get a round neck and पीछे आपको ये टाई अप डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगी जिससे ये नेक आपको हॉल्टर नेक वाली फीलिंग देगी. And it comes in the sleeveless pattern. It is in straight fit and you will get the sequence detailing all over the kurta. I don't know कैमरा कैप्चर कर पा रहा है या नहीं कर पा रहा है, बट ये प्लेन कुर्ता नहीं है, इसमें सीक्वेंस की डिटेलिंग चल रही है पूरे कुर्ते में एंड इट इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट. It comes with this palazzo pant. You will get a full length palazzo pant, same color, सब कुछ same है, इसमें भी sequence का detailing चल रहा है and you will get this elastic. So yeah, this is the kurta set and I got this for rupees 699 only. Very affordable, very budget friendly. तो आप इसको बिल्कुल ले सकते हो. You can wear it in your college or office or casual outing. Pair it with minimal jewelry, sneakers or flats or heels and carry a bag and you are good to go. This piece is really very versatile. According to the price, the quality is really good, so I'm very happy with the purchase and I will definitely recommend you all to get this one. So yeah, that is all for this kurta set. Now let's move to our next kurta set, which is this very beautiful solid red color kurta set. So this is the kurta. You will get a V neck and it is in sleeveless pattern और ये स्ट्रेट फिट में आता है. दिस कुर्ता सेट कम्स इन द मटेरियल रेयॉन, सो इट इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट एंड comfortable for long hours. You will get a full length palazzo pant with this and it is also in solid color and it comes with this elastic, so it is very comfortable to wear. So overall it gives very clean and put together look and I got it for rupees 617 only. So affordable. ये आउटफिट स्पेशली परफेक्ट है ऑफिस के लिए या फिर फॉर्मल मीटिंग्स के लिए या इवन स्मॉल फंक्शन के लिए. इफ स्टाइल प्रॉपरली आप इसको स्टेटमेंट इयररिंग्स एंड हील्स के साथ पेयर करो एंड इट विल लुक सो सोफिस्टिकेटेड. इट विल गिव एलिगेंट लुक. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम सॉलिड कलर कुर्ता सेट you should definitely add this one in your wardrobe. So yeah, that is all for this kurta set. Now let's move to our next kurta set. Next is this black printed kurta set and I cannot believe I got it just for rupees 583. Now let me show you the kurta. This kurta comes in A-line shape which is very flattering on almost all the body types because it gives a very nice flow and structure and it has round neck, sleeveless design, keeping it very simple and easy to wear, and it comes in pure cotton material, so it's very comfortable to wear in hot summer days. And I really love this print. This print is looking very beautiful. So yeah, and it comes with this full length palazzo pant. Everything is same and you can wear it in your college, office, casual wear, daily wear, for some small functions also. If you want to elevate the look, you can pair it with heavy silver jewelry and a flat or heel and it will instantly lift from basic to not so basic look and you will love the look. So yeah, that is all for this kurta set. So now let's just move to the last kurta set of this haul, which is this very cute white printed kurta set. इस कुर्ते में आपको ये छोटे छोटे से हार्ट प्रिंट मिल जाएंगे जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट लग रहा है. जस्ट लुक एट दिस, हाउ क्यूट इज़ दिस. So this is the kurta. You will get a V neck and it comes in this sleeveless pattern. It has this straight fit and this is the front of this kurta. This is the back of this kurta and it comes in rayon material, so it is very soft on the skin and perfect for summer heat. And इसके साथ ये palazzo आता है which is in solid white color and it comes with this elasticated band which is very comfortable to wear. So yeah, overall this kurta set is very comfortable and very summer appropriate. I got it for rupees 699. So yes, this kurta set is must have for the summer season. And with this we have come to the end of this video. And overall मुझे लगता है ये सारे ही kurta set are totally worth it because they are lightweight, breathable and perfect for Indian summer. And also they are very budget friendly and versatile, which means you can wear it in your college, office, daily wear and even for casual outing without putting any too much effort. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, ये सारे आउटफिट बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है और आजकल कंफर्ट ही सबसे ज़्यादा मैटर करता है, स्पेशली इन दिस हीट. सो या दैट इज़ ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो and let me know which one was your favorite from this haul. And if you want any of the link you can check my description box. I will attach all the links in my description box. And if you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.